What up guys, Alex here, and in today's video we'll be recreating a creepy big smile effect from my recent short film, The Wedding Ritual. If you have not seen the short film yet, I definitely recommend checking it out before or after watching this video. It will be linked in the description down below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to not miss any of my future uploads. This effect is actually super easy to make. If you're familiar with Photoshop, it's basically like using the liquify tool, just in After Effects plus some motion tracking. And without further ado, let's just jump right into After Effects. No, I'm not drunk. In case you were wondering, I don't know.
As you can see, I already did a few other effects like white eyes, some skin retouching and stuff just to add a little something. And by the way, if you'd like me to do a tutorial on the white eyes effect, please let me know in the comments down below. Now, it is very important to mention that there is only two ways that I know of that you can do this effect, specifically track it. And by that I mean make the liquify adjustment stick to the area that you want to apply it to, if that makes sense. The first way would be to use a spot clone tracker, which is a product of Red Giant, but if you don't have it, you will have to animate the distortion mesh offset parameter, but we'll get into that later. I will first show the process of creating it with a spot clone tracker because that's what I use, and then I will explain how you can do the same thing without it. So I will begin by applying the spot clone tracker to the original clip, select the area that I want to track, and just track it. Now, it is very important that you do this before applying any other effects, because if you do this afterwards, it will simply not work. Once the tracking is done, just go ahead and create a new adjustment layer, search for a liquify effect, and apply it to the adjustment layer that we have just created. If you have never used Photoshop and don't know what liquify is, it is basically a really cool tool that allows you to distort your image in different ways, or make some areas smaller, bigger, well, anything you want really. And this is exactly what we will use to make the smile bigger. But before we start with that, we'll first have to parent the distortion mesh offset to the spot center, which contains all the tracking data. And when you do that, you no longer have to care about tracking, and any adjustments that you make with the liquify effect will stick to the area that you applied them to. And if you don't have a spot clone tracker, just animate this parameter manually. It might take a little more time, but you can achieve the exact same results, so there's absolutely nothing to worry about. And now the fun part, just play around with the settings until you achieve the look that you want. One more thing, when you apply all these effects, obviously you will notice that the entire image is getting distorted, not only the area you are working with, and there's a very easy way to fix this. Just click on this tool right here, and what it does is it erases any effects that you have applied and transforms this area back to how it was. And that's it, pretty easy, right? If you want, you can also apply some color grading and you have your effect ready.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!